In this video, how to use Wise app to get local bank details, I will show you step by step how to get local bank details using the Wise app on your phone. First, open the Wise app on your mobile phone. Log into your account using your email and password. After logging in, go to the home screen of the app. Now tap the option called Accounts or Balances. You will see a list of available currencies. Select the currency you want local bank details for. For example, tap USD, Euro, GBP, or another currency. Now look for the option called Account Details. Tap this option to view the local bank information. The app will show the bank account details. You may see the account number. You may also see routing number or IBAN. These details allow you to receive local transfers. Now tap the option to copy the bank details. You can share these details with clients or businesses. If the details are not available, tap Get Details. The app may ask you to verify your identity. Follow the instructions shown on the screen. After verification, the bank details will be available. This is how you can get local bank details using Wise easily.